Let's make the Rum Walnut Alexander from Far North Spirits. To make this drink, we're going to start with our heavy cream. 1 ounce of heavy cream is 30 milliliters. 1 ounce of Demerara simple syrup, and I do have a recipe for simple syrups here on the channel. I will link that down below if you want to check that out. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. And this is a 1-to-1 syrup. 1 ounce of your walnut liqueur, or your walnut imitation liqueur. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. 2 ounces of your Ålander Spiced Rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Add some ice, and give it a shake. I'm going to double strain this into my glass, which is a coupe. It's going to fill it almost right to the lip. And garnish. Garnish our shavings of chocolate shavings. I've not had a lot of luck with this. Wish me luck. I'm not going to have a lot of luck with it. Oh, I'm eating some. And that's not too bad. Getting them everywhere. Hopefully I don't put some thumb in there too. Good enough. And there you have it. The Far North Spirits Rum Walnut Alexander. Drink with good spirits.